everyone, my name is Nkenna Njoku, and I currently serve on the 2019-2020 NSNA Board of Directors. On that Board of Directors, I do serve as the Convention and Programs Committee Chair. Today, I'm just going to be walking you guys through the Guidebook app and how to get the most use out of it at the mid-year convention. So the first thing that you're going to do is go ahead and go into the App Store. If you have an Android phone, then you will go into whatever the equivalent of that is. You will download Guidebook. You just type in Guidebook. It's not going to be NSNA Guidebook, and you guys can follow along on screen. You'll type in Guidebook. Once you do that, you will be prompted to download, and then once it's downloaded, you'll go into the app. So once you're within the app, you are given the option to scroll through. You can click around, find guides by location. However, you're gonna go over to the right-hand side of the page. It's at the very bottom of the application, and then you're going to click Find a Guide. Once you click on that magnifying glass, then it's gonna pull up another page, and once you're on that page, then it's going to prompt you to put in a passcode. So this is the easiest way to find the NSNA Guidebook for mid-year, and the passcode is NSNA MY 2019. Again, that's NSNA MY 2019, and it will immediately add this to your list of guides. Once you have access to that guide, you are free to explore and kind of play around with the functions of Guidebook app. You're able to create a profile that you can link with Facebook or any other social media. You can add a picture. The main function of Guidebook that we want you guys to really take advantage of is the ease of use and being able to not only scroll through the exhibitors, but also you are able to go and look through the convention program and customize your own schedule. This personally is one of my favorite features. At the bottom of the page, you're going to see the program, the event schedule, and then you'll have your own schedule. So on the right-hand side, there are plus signs, and you can scroll through, and as you see things that interest you, you'll simply click on the plus sign and it will add it to your schedule. And I think another great feature of the Guidebook app is that maybe there are concurrent sessions, and it can give you 15-minute to 1 hour or no reminders. So if you are at, let's say you're at the NCLEX review session and you want to go to a focus session later on in the day, it can prompt you 15 minutes before that focus session starts that you should go ahead and start making your way to that other focus session. So it's really nice. You can customize your schedule. You're not overwhelmed with looking at the whole schedule, taking it all in, and you're able to customize it to whatever your interests might be. So we really encourage you to take advantage of this feature. That is one of the best features, I think, personally. This year at Mid-Year Convention, we do have 94 exhibitors with 98 booths. So on the left-hand side of the Guidebook app, you are able to scroll through. You can go down and select the exhibitors. You are able to interact with them through an interactive map. And then also, if you have a particular exhibitor in mind that maybe you want to go talk to directly, but you're not quite sure if they're going to be at mid-year, you are able to type them in and see if they are here, and once you pull them up, you can select that exhibitor, and then you can see the exact booth, so that cuts down a little bit of the confusion and the search when trying to navigate through the exhibit hall. Within Guidebook, you are also able to get information about the hotel, the convention center, and as well as surrounding areas, whether that's food or just things to do in the area, the weather. You're able to access that so you can plan ahead and plan accordingly. The next feature that I encourage you to explore in Guidebook, if you go back over to the left-hand side of the application where you see those 3 lines at the top, if you click on that, you are able to see special events that we have going on at MidYear Conference. Just a few of those events we have going on. One that is happening tonight is the opening night party. It is a Halloween party. Costumes are encouraged. There will be a costume contest. It's $10 for advanced tickets and $12 at the door. Food will be served, and that is included with your ticket pricing. So pizza, dessert, salad, it's all included, only for $10. You can't beat that. So if you guys want more information on that, then feel free to check out the Guidebook or find one of the board members and ask them how you can attend. Another feature that you have access to within the Guidebook app is the NSNA Store. You're able to scroll through, see what products that they do have for sale. Items worth mentioning include graduation stoles and graduation cords. December graduates, you are in the home stretch. May graduates, it's not too far off. So again, definitely check out what they have to offer and pay them a visit. They are located right next to registration. And then finally, within the Guidebook app, you are able to connect instantly with us on Instagram. It is the NSNA INC page, and then also you can find us on the NSNA BOD, that is the NSNA Board of Directors page, and you can directly connect with us and keep up to date on anything that you would need to know, whether it's our committees, scholarships, or just what we are doing and how we are working behind the scenes to work on your behalf and represent you. That is all that I have for you guys. I hope that you guys found this helpful and that you were able to navigate through Guidebooks seamlessly. If you guys have any additional comments, questions, or concerns, feel free to reach out or find me anytime throughout the conference. I hope that you guys enjoy your time here, and I look forward to meeting you all. Again, my name is Nkenna Njoku. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.